This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. And at the top here, you can pretty much enable the keyboard to pretty much make it looks like the love, as you can see there, the logo. But before you do that, make sure you go in the template or theme section here. Once you have done that, you pretty much will see all the keyboards which you can use. You have the lock option, you can also use the cute option, and as well you can swipe across down here. We can see all the categories which relates to the keyboard which you can use. The animal section here, but they will still involve a love. So any one of them you choose, it all depends upon you. So once you have selected your keyboard, then you can go ahead and enable the keyboard option at the top. Here you can also change the image. As you can see here, adjust as well. You can put the image. Let's say you find something on Google that you want to use. You can just upload that image and use it as your keyboard background. But you must make sure that you enable the love keyboard option. So once you tap on it, it pretty much show up this here. Just follow the step 1 and step 2 process and you're good to go. So down here as well, you have the settings option. Nothing much for that. You also have some different skins here, voice typing, which you can enable, and you have also live photo animation as well as relates to the keyboard. And also down here you have the auto capital of letters, which you can enable as well. So a lot of things which you can enable that you may prefer, and as well you can enable the keyboard fonts, size, and so forth. It all depends upon what you want, guys. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly help you guys. And all right, guys. See you in the next tutorial.